Today I've got Prada Paradoxe Virtual Flower. Yes, it's everything you think it is. It's a Prada Paradoxe flanker that's been designed with AI. Good God. You got the same little triangle bottle. And as you can see, the juice is basically clear with just the slightest hint of pink. So like the original, it's supposed to be musky, floral, top notes of bergamot. Yeah, that's Prada Paradoxe. It's a bit fresher with that bergamot. That's the difference here. It's a more citrusy, fresher take on it. Really seems to be it. Spray one on and see how that goes. Tell you in a bit. Yeah, it's light. It's Prada Paradoxe with a little more bergamot. I don't know if I'm missing something. I would go compare it to the original, except I've somehow lost my bottle of it. I don't know how one loses a bottle of fragrance. Now, in this place, it would be easy, except there are places where the fragrances live, and it's in none of them. So either it's going to show up randomly one of these days, or someone stole it. I don't think anyone stole it. I can only think of one person that would steal it. He might have stole it. I don't know. That one's gone. This one's in. I mean, if you've got the original, don't bother with this. If you don't have it, or the intense one, and you want something a little fresher, this could be for you. It's not bad. Prada Paradoxe Virtual Flower.